Hey everybody, guess what we got for you today? A 2008 Saab 9.3 Aero Turbo all-wheel drive. Another rare piece. This is a one-owner car. Let me repeat, one owner. Tons of service done at a local Saab shop. 80-some thousand miles. Black on black. Got the Bose upgraded sound, factory sunroof. Extra clean all the way around. No accidents, clean Carfax. This is the 2.8 liter big turbo motor. And I'll tell you, this thing gets down the road like it's nobody's business. Again, rare 08 Saab 9.3 Aero Pack, and it's all-wheel drive with an automatic trans. 80-some thousand miles, guaranteed credit approval, perfect Carfax. This is the place for those crazy oddball pieces. GasCleveland.com.